Hey guys, just wanted to come on here because I've had a really common question about how to submit work digitally. So there's lots and lots of different ways. One of my favorite ways is on my smartphone, I have an app called Cam Scanner and I use that. So I've put that up on my screen so that you can see what you can look for in your Play Store. So you can either use Cam Scanner like I do, or you can use JotNot. That's one that's newer to me, but I just downloaded it and it works the same exact way. And it's really, really easy to figure out, but I could do a separate tutorial on those later on. So that's one way, and it's awesome because it makes your paper look like you literally wrote it on the computer. So that's the best way. The other way is just as effective. If you go into your Google Drive and you click on new and you go to Google Docs, click on a new Google Doc, title it with your name and what it is, whatever assignment it is. So I'll put car assignment, okay? Because you always want to make sure you're titling things appropriately. Then you go to insert image camera. And I'm going to move my computer to where I have a window or a light source behind my computer because it's going to take a better picture. And I'm going to take my time and line up my assignment so that it's very clear, not blurry in any way, and that the teacher could see the entire assignment. So if you can't see the entire assignment, if I move backwards, I could get more of the assignment in the picture. But since I only have a few things on here, now I'm going to hit the camera button and take a picture. Okay, now I'm going to hit insert, and then I can see, I'm going to make sure that I look at my assignment and make sure that it's visible, that if I want to make it bigger, I can do that. I can still read it. They can see my name on it and all of those things. So I want to be careful with that. You can make it bigger, but if making it bigger makes it really weird and pixelated, then make it smaller, okay? So you want to make sure you can see it. If you can't read it, then your teacher's not going to be able to read it. The other thing, you could do the exact same thing when you go into your Drive and you hit new Google Slides. Now, this has been really helpful. One person did this, and they put it in a Google slideshow. They titled it, and this time they put assignments because on each slide they put insert image camera. They took a picture of their work and they made sure that it was very clear and legible, not blurry. And then they inserted that picture, and then I noticed that they had stretched it out so that it was large enough to see. And then they hit new slide and they put a second page of their assignment. So you could do that. You could, if you have a document that's like a packet or something like that, you can open up a slideshow and put in the second page on here. They did this with all of their missing work. They just included it all in one little slideshow. It was in one page per slide, and then they hit share, and they shared with me. And eCar comes up, and then they hit share, and they hit send. And so it was just one time that they had to send the thing, which is nice. Any one of those ways, whatever way has worked for your teacher, but I just wanted to share these couple of things. Hopefully this will shed some light on that topic. All right. Have a good day, guys.